Concerned about language as cultural identity, members of the Nyotreb Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, Jaintia Hills District, under the leadership of its president Lawyer Senwar, had visited the 8th Mile area on Monday the 25th of April to change the location name of Garampani to that of local name Saphai, as per notification of the General Administration Department B, Government of Meghalaya, dated the 14th of March 2017. On the issue of name change, Lawyer Senwar informed that the organization had decided to go ahead with the name change of various locations since the state government has not been acting as per the particular notification of the General Administration Department B, wherein an order for renaming of a few locations across the state has been mentioned. While expressing concern about the identity of the indigenous people of the state and the imposition of Hindi as a compulsory subject in schools across Meghalaya, War urged upon the central government to include KHASI language into the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
The one in it how grammar hagnigalat to large supply. Hadin wo yo notification go sarkar the permit gonna do kaso trik benawalai ada kanyau motif no yagniga thau beruti galap to large supply. Hindre bujo kelai bukan begini di konstan departemen ada gitu kisnam mcim kiagi hukum bat yang nuti yang signboard kamu di yo ini wara thok bagi di ten nongwei wong di ten company woi I kam gi buru penar di wong tip I untuk tip I kam tip I di ten company kam ten yang ke jong sen negasi di wan ni komplek ini yo penciai yo penyo gani galat ulai cek supply